And this time, this is another Congress leader, and his statement on Maoist terrorists has sparked off a huge row. The TPCC chief, Mahesh Kumar Gaur, has sparked a controversy with his comments on Maoists. He is asking the centre why it could not negotiate with Maoists when a truce with Pakistan had been worked upon. Mahesh Kumar Gaur, senior Congress leader in Telangana, says that when forces cordoned Kagar Karegutta, Maoists asked to invite for discussions, saying that they were ready to put down their weapons. He also added, and I quote from what he said, that any Prime Minister would have invited them for discussions, but that did not happen. He further says, and I quote from his statement, that our citizens were not invited for talks, but under Donald Trump's pressure, our government has prepared to hold talks with terrorists. Controversial statement by a Congress leader calling for a ceasefire with Maoist terrorists when India's pledges Naxal Mukt Bharat. Let's listen in.
ఖగార్ కరగుట్ట ప్రాంతంలో దాదాపు 10,000 మంది పోలీస్ ఫోర్సెస్ ఆ ప్రాంతాన్ని చుట్టుముట్టినప్పుడు ఆలస్యమైన మేము చర్చలకు సిద్ధంగా ఉన్నాం, మేము ఆయుధాలను వదులుతాం, చర్చలకు ఆహ్వానించని అడిగినప్పుడు ఏ కనికరమున్న ప్రధానమంత్రి అయినా చర్చలకు ఆహ్వానించి ఉండాల్సింది, కానీ అది చేయలేదు. మన పౌరులైనటువంటి విభిన్న అభిప్రాయాలు కలిగిన మన పౌరుల్ని చర్చలకు ఆహ్వానించలేదు. కానీ ట్రంప్ మొట్టికాయ వేస్తే తీవ్రవాదులతో ఉగ్రవాదులతో చర్చలకు సిద్ధమైనటువంటి ప్రభుత్వం మనది.
My colleague Shomit is with us. Shomit, before we tell our viewers more about the story, I want you to translate what TPCC chief Mahesh Kumar Gaur said that has now sparked off a huge controversy.
See, clearly he stated that he was attending, a program organized by the civil society groups, and there he has stated that, when the forces, nearly 10,000 forces, 10,000 personnel, cordoned this Karegutta area, that is this Kagar Karegutta area, there the Maoists announced, they stated that we are ready for the talks, we are ready to lay down our weapons, we are ready to, come and speak with the government. And when they stated that any government, any Prime Minister would have invited them for the talks, but unfortunately this government didn't do that, and we have this government is what Mahesh Kumar Gaur was seen saying. At the same time, he concluded the statement by saying that under Trump's pressure, our government has prepared to hold talks, discussions with the terrorists, is what exactly TPCC chief Mahesh Kumar Gaur has stated.
Yes. I want you to stay with us, Shomit, because for viewers just joining us on this broadcast, listen in to this comment by a top Congress leader who is from the state of Telangana. He goes on to say he seems to have turned an apologist and a sympathizer. Right now, when the focus of the government is to ensure Naxal Mukt Bharat, there is a Congress leader who says there should be ceasefire with Maoist terrorists. Listen in.
ఖగార్ కరగుట్ట ప్రాంతంలో దాదాపు 10,000 మంది పోలీస్ ఫోర్సెస్ ఆ ప్రాంతాన్ని చుట్టుముట్టినప్పుడు ఆలస్యమైన మేము చర్చలకు సిద్ధంగా ఉన్నాం, మేము ఆయుధాలను వదులుతాం, చర్చలకు ఆహ్వానించని అడిగినప్పుడు ఏ కనికరమున్న ప్రధానమంత్రి అయినా చర్చలకు ఆహ్వానించి ఉండాల్సింది, కానీ అది చేయలేదు. మన పౌరులైనటువంటి విభిన్న అభిప్రాయాలు కలిగిన మన పౌరుల్ని చర్చలకు ఆహ్వానించలేదు. కానీ ట్రంప్ మొట్టికాయ వేస్తే తీవ్రవాదులతో ఉగ్రవాదులతో చర్చలకు సిద్ధమైనటువంటి ప్రభుత్వం మనది.
We'll be tracking that story and we'll get you more reactions to it. It's time now for us to take a short commercial break. Stay with Times Now. The headlines continue.